When I gave dairy up out of my diet, one of the things I noticed was I didn't have postnasal drip all the time. I could go outside in really cold weather and my nose wasn't running down to my knees, and I don't go through a box of tissues like crazy at work anymore. So it's worth it to me, but there are some things that I've missed, like feta cheese. I love that on salads and on toppings on baked things as well. But this is a feta cheese imitation, a nut cheese that satisfies my needs just as well. And I'm going to start with a half a cup of hazelnuts, but you can use walnuts, you could use almonds, you could use cashews, you can use any kind of nut you want. So I've got a half a cup. I'm going to take 1 clove of garlic and drop that in there. I'm going to give it just a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. For this, we only need half of a teaspoon. The nuts already have quite a bit of oil in them anyway. And I'm going to use a whole half of a lemon. But I don't really want the pits. Okay. I'm just going to pulse this. A little bit more. Okay. So now I've got this mixture. And this is actually even really good on salads that have a lot of fruit in them too, surprisingly. And if you want it more fine, then just grind it up longer. But you can see what this looks like. And I like doing this even on things like roasted bell peppers, stuffed bell peppers, and just putting this on top and baking it. It is just divine. So yeah, so this is my nut cheese, and I use it as a substitute for feta cheese. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. And thanks for watching. Until next time, love yourself, eat real food.